Artificial intelligence or AI is a buzzword in today's world. You might be hearing a lot of technology news associated with AI, like manufacturing industry or automobile industry has implemented AI for the self-driving cars. Each and every sector, including healthcare, is also trying to implement AI. Education sector is also not going to be immune associated with artificial intelligence implementation. So as you are aware, machines are capable of doing any kind of mechanical task, or if you are able to program the things, then machines can do certain things in that manner. But if you are able to provide thinking capability or capability to do analysis of data, and based on that, if machines are able to take certain decisions, then that will help solve a lot of problems associated with human beings. So today I am going to share some light about interesting trends associated with artificial intelligence and its implementation in education sector. So stay tuned. So as you are aware, data or data analysis is base of the artificial intelligence. So in order to have capability associated with artificial intelligence, you need to have large data associated with the system, and data analytics plays key role in order to implement AI in any kind of education system. So there are a lot of state governments in India trying to implement AI with the help of data analytics. So let me give you one of the example. One of the state government has implemented AI related project where they are trying to identify probability of dropout associated with a particular student from the secondary school education. So in this case, they are trying to collect data from the various secondary schools or various schools, and it is being analyzed, and system is trying to analyze the performance of the various students, school going childrens, and based on the historical performance, system is trying to predict whether particular group of student or particular individual student is likely to drop out in the current academic year. So based on that analytics, state governments are able to take proactive steps in order to prevent dropout associated with those school going children. Another area in case of education sector where AI can be beneficial is personalized learning. So imagine a traditional classroom based learning or even online learning where students are informed about various things, where teachers are able to share their knowledge. So imagine a traditional classroom scenario where teachers are teaching to the 60 students simultaneously, but each individual or each student has different capability related to grasping power, or each student has different IQ or EQ, so they are not able to learn at the same pace as compared to other students. Artificial intelligence enabled personalized learning can help to solve this problem associated with those students. AI system can help you to define personalized learning path for the particular students. So based on the performance of the particular student associated with particular topic or particular subject, system can do the analysis associated with strong areas or weak areas of the particular student, and system can predict future learning path associated with that student, and that learning path will be very unique for that student, and it will be very unique for all those 60 students who are there in the classroom. Another area where artificial intelligence or AI can be helpful for the teachers or educators. So in the traditional scenario, teacher need to give attention to individual students. Imagine if there is a class of 60 students and teacher need to do lot of administrative tasks associated with grading of the student or performance evaluation of the student or providing individual feedback to the students. But if you have a centralized system which is artificial intelligence powered or data driven, where you can do the data analysis associated with performance of the students, or system is able to predict future performance of the student based on the historical data, or that can also help various teachers to do analysis associated with strong areas or weak areas of the students, and it will be very easy for those teachers to provide individual attentions for the students who are lacking in particular area or particular subject. So AI can help teachers making various decisions or providing pinpoint feedback for the various students using data analysis approach. So there are a lot of scope available for the software technology or tools which can be developed in order to provide individual feedback for those students based on the artificial intelligence approach. AI can also be helpful in examination management. So imagine a lot of students are writing theory exam, they are writing their long theory answers, and in case of evaluators or examiners or teachers, they need to evaluate. Each teacher need to read all the answers written by the students. So if you are able to have any kind of system which you will be able to convert that handwritten text in the form of say plain English text, and even system can provide certain kind of recommendation based on various algorithms where answer written by the student can be compared with the model answer sheet available, and based on that system will be able to provide recommendation like particular answer written by the student where you need to assign 5 marks out of 10 or 4 marks out of 10. Such a kind of recommendation will definitely helpful for the teachers in order to simplify overall answer sheet evaluation process. Or if currently if teachers are taking say 10 or 20 minutes in order to evaluate particular answer sheets, but using our AI powered evaluation process, it can be brought down to the say 5 minutes or lesser time, where teachers can take lesser amount of time in order to evaluate theory answer sheets. So AI is a very exciting technology that is going to change the way education system works, or overall edtech industry is also rapidly going to get revolutionized with the help of artificial intelligence or even overall machine learning or data analytics approach. A lot of new technologies are coming up in the market. We as a Flashgate have also filed one of the patent associated with artificial intelligence driven approach for our platform. So it is very exciting time ahead for all of us as a edtech community, and AI is definitely going to help education community to simplify various processes, and that will definitely help to take this education sector forward.